Just a quick reminder to all parents and students, you need to be very careful when you're using Facebook. What you write in text, what you put up there in video or in photos, it goes out to the world pretty quick, and it's very difficult to get back. The other suggestion I have that you should definitely pay heed to is don't talk to people that you don't know. That is a quick way to get yourself into all kinds of sticky situations. So be careful, have fun, and let's learn Facebook. So there's really so much to cover when it comes to Facebook. There's so many different aspects to it that I decided I really couldn't do a full series of tutorials, that we'd be better off just going through it as a class and having a couple tasks for each class for everybody to get a handle on. That's really going to be the best way to approach this. One area I do want to show you that is very important as you play and learn Facebook, and that is the Help Center. So if I go to the upper right hand corner here and click on Account, this is also where I would change my privacy settings if you so choose to. But if I go to the Help Center, I've got all these different categories that are going to teach me all I need to know about Facebook. And their goal, good software writers, their goal is to make software as easy to use as possible. So Facebook is pretty easy, especially since you've gotten your feet wet with the other Web 2.0 applications. You kind of know how things work a little bit now. But let's just go to one of these here. Let's go to Privacy. And you've got all these subtopics. They're not video tutorials, so you do have to read, but they are thorough and they should definitely answer your question. If by chance it doesn't answer your question, there is another area where you can go and get quite a bit of help. And if you click on Help Discussions inside the Help Center, it gives you all these categories of different things within Facebook. So let's take iChat, for instance, or Facebook Chat, for instance, which is kind of new. And we click on that. And then here's all these people who have had questions, and there's answers associated with those. A lot of these haven't been answered. So you can boost your Facebook score up if you can answer some of these for people too, if they found your response helpful. So for instance, if I click on I try to go chat online, I get a message Facebook error, and somebody answered that. So I can click on that and I can see what possible errors they might have encountered. Let me go to one that maybe isn't quite so new, like messages, for instance, and look at all these. This person, my messages are not showing up. What to do? And 2 people answered her, and they steered her toward the standard Facebook responses. And a lot of times you'll see people get answered by other people. Let's try this one here. I cannot open my blah blah blah. See, this question was actually answered by several other Facebook users. So you have 2 different help areas. You've got just the regular Help Center right here, which is going to be Facebook standard responses. But if you want help from other Facebook users, if your question's not being answered very easily, you click on Help Discussions and then the category that you're struggling with.